Hello everybody, it's Cristina here. I'm a senior manager of Forever Living from Italy. Today, before I start my fitness lessons, I wanna share my experience with you with this amazing program of just 4 days. You know, I have to be honest, I was completely in love with C9 program. It was my favorite detox program until when I met DX4. So when I started my 4 days of detox, I completely changed my mind, my way of thinking, the quality of my training lessons, and even the quality of the food that I was eating. I started to eat more vegetables and I started to enjoy it, having more energy. I was more powerful. So, this is a program that I do 3-4 times per year, and each time is absolutely amazing. Bye bye!